Okay, this is a test of the air conditioning in the SUV. Sunglasses, safety goggles.
Check.
All right, let her rip. All right, let's get cranked up. Full blast. Dry your hair with it.
The sun comes out, there's no more shaking, praying out.